So we're back at it today. Parts have been kind of a problem. So what we are doing now, we made a decision to go ahead and replace the water pump, since I had the majority of it exposed anyway. So we've got the hoses off, got the pulley off, fan clutch off, serpentine belt of course is off, throttle body and I don't know, air chute, whatever you want to call it, coming off the air filter is off, and most of the parts are on order, but I haven't received everything in yet, so I figured I'd go ahead and pull the water pump off. And I do have I was able to get a new one locally, so I'll put that water pump on, get that chore out of the way. And then we have one metal piece that goes on a hose. It's a about a 45-degree curve that comes off the upper radiator hose, and it goes to the thermostat. There's a metal piece that extends about probably 5-6 inches to help it around the corner, and that was pretty heavily corroded. So we're taking that to a weld shop to see if they can cut off the corroded end and weld on another end. We'll see how that works, because to get it online, it's about $130 some for basically a small thin metal pipe with a 45-degree bend. So I thought that was a bit extreme. Otherwise, we're doing pretty good. Everything's coming off normally. It's just the fact that the radiator is still on, which means I have to be extra careful not to ding a dent. And the old thermostat housing is here. Nothing significant other than it probably just warped. Can't say why it was leaking, but when I did pull the bolts out, and some of the bushings came out very easy, so I had to order new bolts, which were not available locally, and that's going to take probably a week to get here. It's just kind of craziness. I'd think a 98 Ford Explorer would still have parts available, but negative. They're out there, but you know, California, Alaska, Guam, etc. That's it for now.